Hello friends. Have you ever thought about how the fashion industry is changing? Today, we will tell you how artificial intelligence is changing fashion. The first way is through fashion apps. Today's apps suggest us the best clothes for us. These suggestions are made possible by the magic of artificial intelligence. The second way is design. AI designers now analyze past trends and create new designs. This gives us new and creative clothes. The third way is fashion shows. AI models are now being showcased in fashion shows. These models are no less than real ones. And the fourth way is production. AI-controlled machines now manufacture clothes, which is faster and cheaper. The fifth way is virtual fitting rooms. Now AI helps you ensure the fit of your purchased clothes through virtual fitting rooms during online shopping. So friends, have you seen? Artificial intelligence has brought a new wave of change to the fashion industry. Are you interested in artificial intelligence, or do you want to make a career in it? If yes, then you can enroll in Data Science with AI course at Digicrome. The link will be available in the description box. If you liked this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.